Okay? I'm getting a tan. Okay? I'm not getting sick. I'm getting better. Because I have that up there shining down on me. I have this fresh air to breathe in. Because in your homes, you're breathing in stale, stagnant. Outside, you're breathing in the fresh air. Hey, smell a flower with me. Oh, it smells beautiful. Touch the grass with me. It feels so good. Look at the beautiful sky. Okay, observe the birds, observe just the little things, the bugs, the ants, just the life, opposed to crap on TV that's not real. See? That's a beautiful pond. Wouldn't you all like to play in there? Or go up to the lake and play? Right? Smell the roses. Smell the dandelions. Smell the fresh air. Smell the freshly cut grass. Dig your hands in the dirt. Put your feet in the water. Feel Mother Nature again. Because that's where you came from. Love you all. Have a great day.